In today's video, I'll show you how to install the hidden Ultra Graphics mod for Hogwarts Legacy and unlock max visual quality. All you have to do is check my video description for this mod link, scroll down and go to Files and select the manual download option and select the slow download option and it will start downloading. After the download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. And now press in keyboard Windows key and R key together and type percentage local app data percentage again and click on OK. Find Hogwarts Legacy folder, double click on the saved folder, config Windows No Editor, find the engine.ini, just copy and paste it in another location. For example, I'm gonna paste it in desktop and then just drag and drop the engine mod inside your directory and select replace the file in the destination. Just close stuff here and launch the game. I will show you left and right with mod and without the mod. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more Hogwarts Legacy mod guides. Enjoy the insane visuals. See you in the next one.